2021 has been a year full of change, and as consumers continue to gravitate towards online shopping, businesses are also transforming to meet the demand for convenience and frictionless digital payments for businesses and consumers. Good morning, everyone. This is Mark from Payment Genius, and today it's all about payments. In short, the industry developments are so rapid, widespread, and transformative that covering all industry trends would result in a 3-season Netflix series. Therefore, we have selected some key topics, kicking off with artificial intelligence in financial services. Artificial intelligence is undeniably one of the biggest growth areas within FinTech and payments, such as detecting fraud. Organizations can identify automated and more complex fraud attempts faster and more accurately by combining supervised and unsupervised machine learning as part of a larger artificial intelligence fraud detection strategy. Banks' core banking systems and middle office functions. To assess risks, improve processes for AML, perform KYC regulatory checks, and even make 1-second loan decisions. Natural language processing, or NLP technology, providing organizations with real-time critical insights, and much, much more. Although these are just a handful of examples, it is evident that companies who wish to stay or become competitive in today's landscape need to take aggressive steps in ensuring that their strategy, infrastructure, and processes are data and AI driven. Research shows that 25% of the frontrunners of AI adoption in payments see it as critical strategic importance. So have you researched the application of AI in payments? And to what extent is AI part of your day-to-day decision making and strategy? Next to AI, it's been a great year for blockchain as well, with numerous use cases of governments and massive organizations embracing the technology. To provide some perspective, we've seen a number of partnerships between payment giants with crypto projects, such as Visa launching a pilot allowing customers to trade Bitcoin, amongst many others. An explosive rise of CBDCs in concrete plans, use cases, and actual implementations, such as in China, the Bahamas, the Marshall Islands, Sweden, and the European Union. 2021 saw El Salvador become amongst one of, if not the first nation to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, meaning it can be accepted across the country to pay for goods and services, and businesses can use it to pay their employees. A significant milestone this year were the incredible all-time highs in the crypto market. And although cryptocurrencies and blockchain applications can be extremely volatile and therefore make or lose you a lot of money, real-life applications are unique but incredibly promising. Moving on to ISO 20022 compliant blockchain, because only a handful of crypto focus on real-world utility. Take XTC Network like SynFin, for example, which has a primary focus on global trade and finance and filling a multi-trillion-dollar gap. Given it's interoperable with ISO 20022 financial messaging standards, it allows financial institutions to actually use and interact with XTC Network. More than $3 billion in private investments went into NFT companies in 2021, according to data compiled by PitchBook NFTs. Facebook is transferring its platform to Meta, further expanding the NFT interest and blockchain applications to its insanely large audience. And I can go on and on about green blockchain initiatives, other payment utility tokens, IoT integrations, hybrid blockchain networks supported by the biggest banks in the world, and even more. The key takeaways is blockchain technology allows for incredible opportunities now, and with the likes of Web 3.0 coming up, we're really just getting started. Out of the top 100 public companies in the world, 65 are actively developing blockchain solutions, and 16 are actively in a research phase. Out of the 65 mentioned, Microsoft, Amazon, Tencent, Nvidia, JP Morgan, Walmart, Alibaba, PayPal, Samsung, and the Bank of China are amongst the 27 companies with current live blockchain operations. What are some of the best applications of blockchain in business you've seen so far? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow us on LinkedIn for the hottest FinTech news every week. For now, I'd like to thank you all again for watching and looking forward to see you again next week. Cheers, bye-bye!